There are a lot of ways to delete background in Filmora. I'll show you 3 of the easiest ones. The first one is a paid feature, but also is the best one of the list. Click here on Effects. Select this video effects here. Go to this AI portrait category and add this human segmentation into the timeline. Increase or decrease the length of the filter depending on your video. And that's pretty much it. The second one is even easier. Just click on the video and in this portion right here, go for this AI tools and down here enable the AI portrait option. To give a nicer touch on it, you can decrease the edge thickness around the person and increase the edge feather until you're satisfied with the result. The best is that this option is free on Filmora. The last one is using a green screen. The first thing is that you need to be sure that the video containing the green screen is above the one you want to show on the green screen. In my case, this computer is the one that has the green screen, so it is on the top right here. The next thing to do is click on the clip containing the green screen and go here to this section. Go for AI tools and enable the option Chroma Key. Select the video that is in your background or being displayed into the green screen and make some adjustments here of zoom and position to better fit into the video. Those were the methods for today. Thanks a lot for watching.